Trustedparts.com makes it easy for distributors to manage the status of their manufacturer authorizations. After logging into your free Trustedparts.com account, navigate to the distributor homepage under the My Account tab. Then click Review Manufacturer Authorizations. Here, you'll be able to view all the manufacturers for which you, as a distributor, are set as authorized on Trustedparts.com. To organize the results, use the Show Status drop-down menu to filter by authorization status. For more specific search, type a manufacturer's name in the Filter by Company Name section. From this page, you can also easily submit changes to a manufacturer's authorization status. To do so, simply click on the status in question and select a new one. When you select Authorized as a status, the Authorization Proof pop-up box will automatically open. To complete the proof submission process, first select a region. Then use the drop-down menu to select the type of authorization proof you wish to submit. Attach the requested file or enter the applicable web address and make any notes if you wish. Finally, click Submit to send the authorization proof and request approval. Your authorization status will show as requested until it is processed. You'll receive an email response once your authorization request has been approved or denied. From the Authorized Manufacturer Report, you can view proof of authorization when available by clicking the question mark icon next to an authorized status. If you need to add a new manufacturer for which you are authorized, use the Add a New button near the bottom. Once the pop-up loads, select from the drop-down menu the name of the manufacturer and then click Add Company. If you are authorized for a manufacturer that is not available to add, please fill out the New Manufacturer Request form. Once submitted, our administrators will review your request. After your request has been approved, you'll receive an email letting you know that the manufacturer has been added to the Trustedparts.com system. Then you can select them from the drop-down list. With the Manufacturer Authorizations feature, distributors can quickly and easily manage the status of their authorizations. Just another great feature of the powerful Distributor Portal. Sign up for a free account today at Trustedparts.com. For more information, including how to manage your manufacturer's authorization, visit Trustedparts.com/docs.